Hello, today I'll show you how to do a thumbnail or a Photoshop picture for your channel with Photoshop. Okay, here you will have just a white background with no picture. You just go on images or your folder where your picture is. We can take like this picture, my profile picture. Okay, now that you have your picture in Photoshop, you can press hold shift. You need to hold shift and with left button with your mouse you can do this. Okay, when you're done you just accept. Now you have this image, but you want to cut the background to have an image without this gray background, but just your image. You just go to this lasso or the quick instrument to select faster. You can just go to this lasso. You do like this. Yeah, now it's really bad, but it's just like to show you how it works. And when you do that, like when you did that, you just need to select and mask this space that you have selected. Like you do this, and now your gray background is like how you see is disappeared. We can see anyways the gray background. We go to this instrument, we go on this one, this instrument. You can select this circle when you select your photo as big as you want, like this, or maybe smaller. I will select 35 pixels, and now just left click on your photo, do like that, and how you see this instrument will help you to select more or less. Like you see in this area it didn't. Okay, then you go here, click OK. Now you have a profile image copy. Now you can just, if you see that your background isn't perfect, like you didn't deleted all the background and you can still see the background, you try to select again your image. If you have problems like this and you can't select it, you go here. If you have this instrument on 35, for example 35 pixels, you go here and write 20, for example. Go again here and try again. And now you selected only the part of the picture that you need to save. Now you go to select and mask and then to OK, and now your picture looks like that. You can see here a line straight. If you have any problems like this, you can fix it. You select your picture, you go to profile image, copy tree, third copy of my profile image. You left click this image, then go here again, right click, create a new cut level, then go here. Here you will have a new level, like maybe in your case is named level 1. You go here, right click and go to delete level. Yes. Okay, now your picture is ready. Now you go here on your profile image, you right click this picture and you go to duplicate the level, and here you go to the name where is background picture. You go on OK, and now your picture that you already edited will appear on this on your background picture. Now you don't like for example your picture to be this big, you press Ctrl T, and now you press and hold shift and you go, for example, right here, and you just drag the picture like that and go to accept. Okay, now you go to the T here and then left click, hold the left button of the mouse. You can just write, select your font, the color of your text. Your video is about GTA, so you want to write GTA San Andreas, and you just type GTA San Andreas. You go here then. If you see this, you can adjust it going down like that. But if this problem remains, you can just go here on these two arrows, and here you can adjust your text. There are a few options that you can edit. You go here and write, for example, 150 or 170. Then you can go to the options. If you want your title to have a black line, you can do this. Here you can select how many pixels you want your line to be, like 15 pixels, and it will look like that. If you want to adjust the color because you don't like anymore orange, to go here to select color, like you want your text to look green, for example, then you can select OK, and now your text looks green. But if you don't like it, you can go here again and improve this to 100%. Your text on normal will look the same as the color that you have selected here. Then you can go to the shadow, the external shadow. You can adjust here your shadow like this, for example, 35 pixels, and like that I think it looks pretty cool. Here you can adjust the angle. You can go for 100. It will look like that. Okay, now you don't like the color, the filter of your image, and you want a better filter, you just go to color, add color, and now you can see my image is green, just green, because it's on normal here. I like to set it on 15 and go to here, brightness, and now your image will look with more brightness. If you want your image to be more blue, you go here on this plus, you click it, go here and select color, and now your image will have more brightness with blue color. Then you want to add, for example, a GT San Andreas image. You can go just with the lasso, select and mask. Now your image will look like this, and select OK. So you can just go with the lasso. You do this kind of thing. You select this, and before you go here, left click, OK, click on create a new cut level. Then you'll go on this new level that you have created, and you go on delete level. OK, this is the final result.